If there's one thing we all have to do, it is to avoid waste. Not to waste food, energy, plastics, or time.
Food waste is a huge problem. In fact, the average Canadian throws away $1,100 worth of food each year. That's more than $4 billion each year nationwide. FoodSaver solves this problem by making it easy for an individual to use their food before it spoils. Simply scan your food, fridge, or pantry, and the app will suggest recipes that help you prevent food waste. Using FoodSaver is easy. Start the app, tap plus at the bottom, and begin adding foods to your list. To add a food to your list, snap a photo of your ingredient. You can also add bulk items such as salt, sugar, or flour to your in-app pantry so you don't need to enter it each time. Once your ingredients have been added to your list, tap Find Recipes to discover recipes that use your food items. This brings up a page with a list of recipes that the user can use. In addition to ingredients, these recipes are also chosen based on nutrition and healthiness. Let's choose this one. Here, the user can read the full recipe. This includes the title, image, ingredients, their quantities, and instructions.
Hi, welcome to FoodSaver. So here's the main screen of our prototype. As you can see, it says your ingredients, and it's blank right now because we haven't inputted any ingredients. So let's just take a picture here. All right, so we got an apple and a banana. Now we can press search, and we'll get a bunch of recipes that contain an apple and banana.
Food waste affects every single one of us. In Canada alone, it costs the average Canadian $1,100 per year, amounting to over $4 billion per year for all Canadians. We need to do our part to ensure the sustainability of Earth for our fellow humans and the future generation. The problem of food waste will only grow with time as more developing countries become developed. This includes regions in orange, such as South America, Eurasia, and Asia. We expect this problem to grow massively between the next few years to the next few decades, and with the potential user base increasing by billions, we will be ready to solve this problem worldwide. Users can use this app 3 or more times per day, once for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner. This keeps the user engaged and returning to save food. FoodSaver also sends notifications, reminding the user to save their food. FoodSaver is over 10 times faster, easier, and more convenient to use than all other competitors. Apps such as All Recipes or Supercook require the user to manually enter their ingredients, taking anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. With FoodSaver, this is reduced to seconds, as all you need is a quick photo. As our app's user base grows, our custom machine learning model gets better and better, and our recipe database grows. As time goes on, it becomes harder for competitors to match what we can offer, meaning we will have a sustainable consumer base. While our app helps every Canadian, we anticipate most of our growth through word of mouth from students and families. As we get more families, they expose more people to the app. As students live in student houses, they expose more people to the app. This means we're able to grow while spending less money on marketing, and more people choose more sustainable lifestyles. FoodSaver was developed with Android Studio and written in Java. We used a custom-trained machine learning model using AutoML Vision from the ML Kit to classify photos into ingredients, and finally, we used the Spoonacular API to match ingredients to recipes. Our app runs on the freemium model. App revenue fully offsets server and API costs, with an average revenue of 10 cents and cost of 3 cents per usage, resulting in a profit of 7 cents per usage. It is very easy for us to scale our product. All we need is to cover $35 in Google Store developer fees, our living expenses for the first phase of our startup, and the initial API payments. Once we build our customer base and begin scaling, our profits cover all server and API costs, and we're able to invest in better ML models, differentiating us from our competition and making it harder for others to take our market share. Food waste is a large and quickly growing worldwide problem, costing individuals thousands of dollars per year and accelerating global warming. FoodSaver helps solve this problem by giving people a more sustainable, faster, and easier way to use their food before it spoils.